Today I am reviewing the ASUS ROG Strix G18 18-inch gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to high-end gaming laptops, the term compromise is something manufacturers have spent years trying to eliminate. Typically, picking up a machine with a massive screen meant sacrificing structural portability or coping with standard, mid-tier hardware. Today, we are analyzing a hardware configuration that shatters that paradigm entirely, the ASUS ROG Strix G18. This massive 18-inch powerhouse represents the absolute cutting edge of performance engineering, combining a brand-new hybrid architecture central processor, a next-generation graphics card utilizing ultra-fast video memory, a stunning high refresh rate display, and an operating system preloaded with advanced AI features. It positions itself not just as a standard gaming rig, but as a full desktop replacement machine explicitly tailored for hardcore esports competitors, AAA enthusiasts, and heavy-duty content creators who refuse to be tethered to a traditional desk setup. The undisputed core of this machine's immense power is the Intel Core Ultra 9 processor 275HX. Built on a brand-new 3nm manufacturing process, this chip represents a massive structural redesign over older laptop processors. It boasts an incredible 24 processing cores and 24 native threads, broken down into 8 high-performance cores and 16 efficiency cores. The performance cores can boost up to a blistering 5.4 GHz, while the efficiency cores push all the way to 4.6 GHz. What makes this implementation truly unique is the inclusion of an Intel AI Boost neural processing unit, delivering up to 13 TOPS of dedicated artificial intelligence computing power. Instead of choking your primary processing threads with background sorting, audio filtering, or video rendering, this hardware chip offloads AI-specific workloads seamlessly. When you combine this advanced processing matrix with 32 GB of high-speed DDR5 memory, and a full 1 TB solid-state drive, you get an ecosystem where raw computer tasks are finished instantly. You can keep background rendering engines running, manage dozens of browser tabs, stream your high-definition gameplay, and maintain zero system lag. Of course, a premier gaming machine is defined by its graphical capabilities, and the Strix G18 introduces the next era of visual rendering via the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop graphics card. Built on NVIDIA's state-of-the-art Blackwell architecture, this graphics card features 8 GB of high-speed GDDR7 video memory, marking a significant performance upgrade over older generations. While the 5060 represents an incredibly cost-effective mid-range option, its real-world performance punches way out of its weight class due to structural changes in neural rendering. It fully supports DLSS 4, which leverages 5th-generation tensor cores to execute multi-frame generation. In graphically demanding AAA titles featuring intensive real-time ray tracing, DLSS 4 can effectively double or triple your average frame rates without adding visual artifacts. This means you can play the latest modern blockbusters at maximum graphical fidelity while maintaining incredibly smooth frame transitions, turning what used to be a demanding desktop-only experience into a flawless mobile reality. All of this internal processing power is paired with an incredible window to your games, the 18-inch ASUS Nebula display. This panel features a sharp 2.5K resolution, crisp 16:10 aspect ratio, and an ultra-fast 3-millisecond response time. But the true headline feature for competitive gamers is the native 240 Hz refresh rate. In fast-paced multiplayer arenas like first-person shooters or racing simulators, tracking high-speed targets on a standard screen often results in a blurry, stuttering mess. On this Nebula display, motion is rendered with crystalline clarity, giving you a distinct competitive advantage by letting you see and track fast-moving opponents' frames before they see you. The sheer scale of an 18-inch screen ensures an immersive experience that traditional 15-inch laptops simply cannot match, creating a panoramic viewing area that makes looking at detailed timelines or complex code bases just as satisfying as playing an immersive open-world game. The software side of the experience is just as premium, driven out of the box by Windows 11 Pro. This professional-tier operating system brings enhanced security features, professional networking tools, and advanced virtualization capabilities to the machine. It also integrates Microsoft Copilot AI natively into your daily workflow, acting as a personal digital assistant that can synthesize search results, write code templates, summarize long documents, or help brainstorm project ideas right from your desktop. Furthermore, this specific configuration includes a lifetime license for Microsoft Office, giving you full access to essential productivity apps permanently, without ever having to worry about recurring monthly software subscriptions. For physical mobility, ASUS built in advanced fast-charging capabilities that can recharge your large internal battery in a fraction of the time during brief breaks. While the integrated Wi-Fi 7 wireless card guarantees ultra-low latency connection speeds even on highly congested networks, to wrap it all up, the ASUS ROG Strix G18 is a masterclass in modern hardware integration. By combining the massive structural processing capability of the Intel Core Ultra 9 chip with the next-generation Blackwell architecture of the RTX 5060, ASUS has created a device that handles intensive professional workloads and elite competitive gaming with equal poise. The gorgeous 18-inch 240Hz Nebula display provides unmatched visual immersion, while the addition of Windows 11 Pro, lifetime Office licensing, and future-proof Wi-Fi 7 connectivity ensures this laptop remains a premier, long-term productivity and entertainment investment for years to come.